Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In our previous video, we have explored the diverse roles within the dynamic field of digital marketing. And today we are diving deeper into the earning potential and freelance opportunities associated with each role. Hi, I'm Captain Priyanshu, and today I will be your guide for this video. But before we continue, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Whether you're interested in roles such as social media marketer, digital marketing manager, or SEO specialist, it's important to note the massive growth opportunities available in this field. According to a recent survey, 51% of digital marketers reported receiving higher salaries and promotion in the past 12 months. With such impressive growth, it's no wonder that people from different backgrounds are switching to this dynamic field, which has immense growth opportunity. For example, meet our mentee Shweta, who transitioned from banking sector to digital marketing and is working as a digital marketer at New Wave Computing. And Shweta isn't the only one. In the past 3 months alone, more than 300 of our mentees have kickstarted their career in digital marketing. And if you want to know more about this, then check the description below. Through this video today, we will understand the job roles in the field and how you can get started with them. But first, you need to understand that digital marketing is a broad term encompassing multiple job roles like digital marketer, social media marketer, SEO specialist, and others that you can specialize in. Let's begin by talking about what it means to be a digital marketer and the different levels you can progress through this career. You can start as a digital marketing intern, where you will be collaborating with teams, assisting with tasks such as researching about the market, your competitors, creating some content, and some other tasks depending upon the requirement. Interns typically get paid with a stipend ranging from 10k to 15k per month as per industry standards. After completing your internship, you can advance as an executive role, where you will take on additional responsibilities and gain valuable experience. This includes developing and implementing digital marketing strategies, planning and executing marketing campaigns, analyzing campaign performance metrics, and identifying areas for improvement. According to Glassdoor, beginner executives typically earn a package around 3.5 to 4.5 LPA. With 3 to 5 years of experience, you can advance further to managerial position. These roles involve strategizing campaigns, managing budget, and managing a team. In India, digital marketing managers earn an average of 8 LPA with the potential to reach up to 14 LPA depending upon the experience and the company size and location. If you are considering freelancing as a digital marketer, the average income you can expect starting is around 4 lakh depending upon the service and clients. The next one on our list is social media marketing. If you are someone who eats, sleeps, and breathes trends, then social media is the perfect fit for you. Starting as an intern in this role, you will be responsible for creating social media content for various platforms, monitoring social channels, and learning to strategize content while staying up to date with the trends. Interns usually begin with a stipend ranging from 10,000 to 15,000 per month. As for executive level positions in social media, salaries typically range from 18,000 to 25,000 per month with increased responsibilities, exposure, and experience. You can advance to a senior position as a social media manager, overseeing a dedicated team and focusing more on building strategies to grow social media channels. You can expect an average salary of 6 to 7 LPA. The salary varies based on factors such as company, responsibilities, and the experience level of the candidate. Additionally, individuals can offer their service as freelance social media managers, managing multiple social accounts and charging clients at hourly rates. According to payscale.com, the hourly rate for a social media manager ranging from 300 to 1500 with an average pay of 400. So if you have a passion for social media, content creation, and strategic thinking, then this can be an ideal job role or freelancing opportunity for you. Moving on to the next job role, which is SEO Specialist. This is one of the highly in-demand roles that companies are hiring for. You can start as an SEO intern and you will learn the ropes of SEO by assisting with various tasks such as conducting keyword research, optimizing website content, and analyzing performance metrics. These skills and responsibilities you can earn up to 11k per month. As you grow in experience, you will advance to an SEO executive role. Here you will lead the development and execution of SEO strategies, manage campaigns, and collaborate with content creators and web developers to optimize digital assets. The salary range for this role in India varies from 30,000 to 40,000 per month depending on the experience level and location. You can also start providing SEO services as a freelancer, charging up to 10k per client with an hourly rate of 500. If you made it this far in this video, then don't forget to hit that like button. Now let's continue with the video. The next role on our list is that of an email marketing specialist. As an intern in the email marketing role, you will help create and manage email campaigns, usually earning a stipend of 10k to 15k per month. You will work on tasks like writing emails, organizing email lists, analyzing how well campaigns are doing, and A/B testing different approaches. As you gain experience, you can progress into an executive position. As an email marketing executive, you will lead the development and execution of comprehensive email marketing strategies, usually ranging a salary from 20 to 35,000 per month. You will oversee the entire email marketing process from campaign planning and segmentation to deployment and performance tracking. Finally, as an email marketing specialist, you will be responsible for optimizing email marketing efforts to drive engagement and conversions. This includes conducting an in-depth email performance analysis, implementing advanced segmentation strategies, and leverage automation tool to enhance efficiency. If we talk about the salary of an email marketing specialist in India, well, according to Glassdoor, the average salary is up to 50 to 70,000 per month. You can also start your freelancing career by providing email marketing services. On average, as a beginner level consultant, you can charge between $50 to $150 per hour. The next role on our list is affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is an effective online sales strategy used by businesses and brands. Major companies such as Flipkart, Amazon, eBay, and other companies use this method and hire individuals who are skilled in digital marketing. If you are good at analyzing data, research consumer behavior, SEO skills, and building websites, then you can have a competitive edge in this role. According to Glassdoor, if you want to pursue a job in this role, then you can earn an average salary of 10,000 to 30,000 per month as a beginner. You can also start your freelancing as an affiliate marketer, working from home, receiving a predetermined payment for each project you finish. With commission rates ranging from 2.5 to 15%, the earning potential is limitless as long as your referral remain active and leads to purchases. Also, establishing a strong distribution network is crucial. Your YouTube channel, email list, blogs, and social media following all play vital roles in maximizing your success in this role. So that concludes this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and share this video with your friends. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep learning and stay inspired.